Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Ipsum. Has the same engine and interchangeable parts as the RAV4 and the Toyota Camry. It has a 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder non-interference gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Ipsum has 63,817 original miles. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're seeing right there, 102,705. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 63,817. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors, LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. We do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for the continual support. It really does mean the world to us. I do pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.